Hey guys, so in today's video, we are doing a complete overview and review of the American Express Business Platinum Card. Here it is in all its glory. This is one of my favorite business credit cards, and for good reason. Yes, it is quite expensive to have this card. The annual fee is $695 per year, which we'll talk about more later on in this video. But guys, the host of benefits that come with this card, it's absolutely insane. So if you can't actually take advantage of them, this card is super worth it, and you'll definitely come out ahead. Yes, also it is full metal. It's very heavy and feels good in your hand, and it's loud as well. Okay, so first things first is the welcome bonus. Obviously, it's gonna depend when you guys watch this video, but currently the welcome bonus is 120,000 points if you spend $15,000 in the first 3 months. So yes, the spend requirement is quite high, but then again, 120,000 points is also a lot of points. Like we mentioned earlier, the annual fee is $695. You can get employee cards as well for a fee. And then now talking about the rewards, this card is pretty cool. It's quite different than most other business cards, being that it is extremely good if you do a lot of business travel. A lot of the other cards, they are good for traditional business spending. For example, buying electronics, ads, shipping, stuff like that. But this card really shines when it comes to travel. You do get 5x points when you spend on flights and prepaid hotels. That is when you book directly on amextravel.com. And they also have another bonus category of 1.5x points. I'm not going to say the entire list, but we'll have it on the screen right here. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's going to be really good for extremely large purchases over $5,000. If you're buying a lot of technology and electronics, this card can be great. And then if any of the purchases you're making don't fall into these categories, you get the standard 1x points. So first is that there are a ton of credits that come with the card. So when you spend with certain companies, they're gonna give you actually money back into your account. For example, there's a $200 airline fee credit that's gonna be used on any airline, but you will have to enroll and select which airline you're going to choose. There's a huge Dell statement credit, there's an Indeed credit, there is an Adobe credit, and there's even a wireless credit for your phone. So yeah, if you're able to take advantage of these credits, then obviously you're gonna save a lot more money than you're spending on the annual fee. Now, the travel benefits are where this card really shines. Being that it is a premium, expensive card, it does come with a lot of benefits that frequent travelers will absolutely love. So when you're getting the global entry or TSA pre-check credit, you're also getting free gold status at both Marriott as well as Hilton. There are some big benefits that come with the card if you stay at fine hotels and resorts properties. You also get lounge access, so they give you access to about 1,400 different global lounges. This does include the Centurion Lounge, which is pretty great. And then beyond that, you get a ton of other purchase protections that come with most credit cards. There's also no foreign transaction fees, which is great if you're traveling. Now, in terms of Amex points, I really enjoy them. They're almost as good as Ultimate Rewards points, in my opinion. For some types of flights that you might want to book with points, Amex points are actually better. But yeah, I definitely recommend looking up how you guys can transfer these Amex points to certain airline partner programs. This is the best way to really maximize the value of all your points that you're getting. And when done right, you can get up to 5 to 10 cents of value per point. So yeah, overall, there are tons and tons of pros to this card. I really enjoy it. I'm gonna keep it for a long time. But of course, there are some cons, right? So there's that huge spending requirement to get that bonus. It costs a lot to hold this card with that hefty annual fee. And in terms of rewards, it's actually only good if you're doing a lot of travel. I think this is a great card to pair with the Amex Business Gold. All the links to everything we talked about in this video are gonna be down below. You guys can also take advantage of that welcome bonus by applying through our link. It will also help support the channel. So I do wanna say thank you so much in advance. But yeah, hopefully you guys have some more information about this card. Hopefully it's going to help you make a decision whether or not you want to apply for it or not. I'll just say that I've really enjoyed my time with this card. I'm going to keep holding it. And as long as you take advantage of all those benefits that come with it, it is worth the money. Anyways, you guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because we do a ton of free content helping people start their business on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.